I am thrilled to announce the much anticipated BuddyBoss integration with TutorLMS. And in this video, we will go through enabling, configuring, and connecting your TutorLMS courses with the BuddyBoss social groups. So let's get started and go across to the WordPress backend, where I'll talk you through what this integration entails and how to configure it. First, I'd like to highlight the remarkable achievements that our team have accomplished through this integration. As you can see, we have customized this page so that TutorLMS would look great with the BuddyBoss Web. This is the TutorLMS dashboard, providing members access to various features such as enrolled courses, wish lists, quizzes, all of the instructor options, and so much more. TutorLMS notifications, if enabled, are still found on this dashboard, while we've kept BuddyBoss social engagements in our own notification system. In addition to that, we've updated all of the other pages for TutorLMS, including the All Courses page, the single courses, lessons, and quizzes. The goal of this integration was to keep as much look and feel of TutorLMS while bringing the styling of the BuddyBoss Web. Of course, we also added the integration between BuddyBoss social groups and the TutorLMS courses. So now we will look at focusing on the configuration of TutorLMS and connecting your courses. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to BuddyBoss, Integrations, then TutorLMS. Please note that the BuddyBoss Platform Pro plugin is required for this integration to work. So let's enable TutorLMS. We'll just tick this box and click Save Settings. With it now activated, additional settings are available. First is Course Visibility. When enabled, it will allow course instructors to link their courses to social groups during the group creation and the group manage screens. Next is the course activity. As a site administrator, you can enable these course activities and allow your group organizers to enable or disable course activity posts for their own groups. So if someone started a course or completed a quiz, for example, it will show up automatically on the group activity feed. Next section is posted in the activity feed. Here, you can select which custom post types show in the user's activity feed. For example, when an instructor starts or creates a new course or lesson, it will show as an update on the main activity feed. If you enabled comments for lessons under TutorLMS settings, you can also enable lesson comments in the activity feed. Let's enable everything for now and then click Save Settings. Now, let me show you how this will appear on the front end. I'm now on the Groups page, and let's go to Create a Group. Give your group a name and description, then click Create Group and continue. I will keep the settings as they are for now, then click Next. I will enable forum discussions for this group, then click Next. I will upload a group profile and a cover profile first, and then I'll be back. Now, let's invite some members to this group. Click Send, then click Next. For the last step, I will enable courses for this group. As an admin or a group organizer, you can enable these course activities for your group. Then, select the course you want to associate with this group. Keep in mind that only the site administrator or a course instructor can add these courses to groups that they own or manage. then click Finish. Just like that, we have successfully created a group for our TutorLMS courses. Let's navigate to the Courses tab. This is where you and your group members will see all courses associated to this group. If you ever wanted to update the displayed course activities or the linked courses for this group, just go to Manage, then Courses. From here, you can untick the boxes for each activity and add or remove associated courses. And that wraps up our BuddyBoss integration with TutorLMS. I really hope you did enjoy this tutorial, and we're really happy to finally enable you to create and manage courses with TutorLMS and supported with the BuddyBoss social groups. With that said, like all of the LMSs that we integrate with, we are constantly having to adapt and add more functionality whenever the LMS adds new features or enhancements. So if you are seeing an add-on that's not currently supported, or an area that you feel we do need to improve upon, please do share this feedback on our BuddyBoss roadmap so we can take on your feedback and look to iterate the integration for now and going forward into the future. With that said, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.